Want to know how to check out your driving history or recent history in Waze? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, simply open up your Waze application, and once you're there, just simply select this hamburger icon right here on the top left. Now once you've selected this hamburger icon, head towards settings right here. Now once you're under settings, just simply scroll down until you find privacy. So it should be on your account, and right here you can see privacy. Just simply select it. And now once you're there, scroll all the way down until you see recent locations right here. Just simply select recent locations, and once you're there, your location will be shown. And if you want your drive history as well, you can see under activity, just simply select it, and after a while it will load your drive history. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one, and have a good day.